Hi, Bombshell. So something I've been working on that I think you'll appreciate is my morning routine. And so I used to jump out of bed and only be able to think of having coffee. That was back when I had to drink like 2 cups of coffee before even leaving the house, which caused me to be an overwhelmed and anxious mess. Just doesn't always fit with my body. So then I was like, all right, I'm going to channel my feminine energy and I'm just going to move forward in ways that feel really good for me, which is great, but we also need that masculine energy side to be able to balance out, essentially also achieving our goals. So it's all about having that balance. So I've been working on having 3 things that I can do in the morning that will just set me up for a very productive and amazing day. And so I wanted to share them with you in case they help you at whatsoever of creating way less chaos and overwhelm within your body and your day. So the first thing is to listen to a 5 to 10 minute morning meditation. And so I've been using this either as an actual guided meditation that I'll find a video on YouTube and do, or I've really been gravitating towards some positive affirmations where you're just kind of waking up and you just start listening to this before you even get out of bed. That's been working really well for me before I do anything else, before I think of anything else. And just hearing those positive words and just how you can kind of reprogram your subconscious mind to be able to feel really great about your entire day and just being I am a sound, balanced human being before the crazy day starts. So that's the first thing that I've been doing, and I've been trying this routine for the past 2 weeks, and it's been so amazing. And the second thing that I then do is write out 3 things that I'm grateful for. So whether that's, personally what I feel grateful for, or in my personal life, or just professionally, what I feel really grateful for, but really starting the day on this really positive, grateful note, because gratitude is the secret to joy. If you want to be happy, you have to be grateful for the things that you already have before you can really want and have anything else. So that gratitude piece just feels so good and sound and grounding to your entire day. And then the third thing that I've been doing, which I've always done anyway, is moving my body. So I wanted to share my experience this morning because it just totally helped having these 3 things that I focus on first thing in the morning. Because I, listened to the positive affirmations, I got up and I wrote out what the 3 things I was grateful for, and then I was like, all right, well, you're just gonna move your body for 10 minutes. So sometimes I would make some tea, have breakfast first, and then do my workout. And so sometimes that really is great in what my body needs. But this morning, I'm in my follicular phase now, so my period just ended. So it's a time of the month for me that I don't always need food first thing. I actually really do feel really great having a workout first. So I was like, okay, knowing this about myself, I can just kind of structure my day. So I was like, oh, I don't really feel like working out yet. I'm not fully awake. And I was like, Laura, just do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Just move your body for 5 to 10 minutes. If you need to stop and take a break, then you absolutely can do so. So I started doing some jumping jacks, and I was like, this, this is a great way to wake up. So I found a short HIIT workout through YouTube. And I was like, okay, it's 10 minutes. I'm just gonna sit and do this 10-minute, or not sit. I'm gonna do this 10-minute workout, and then we'll see how I feel. And so I just started waking up my body, and it just started feeling more effortless, and it could get the blood circulation flowing, and I could just feel the endorphins pumping and my body waking up. And so I ended up doing 2 more videos after that. So my workout went from me trying to do 10 minutes to me doing 40-minute workout. And I was like, wow, I feel great. And then I just, had enough energy to shower and get ready. And then I was excited to make breakfast. So I made a green smoothie this morning. I've been trying to really get in a lot more veggies in the morning. So smoothie is definitely helping me of just making it very heavy on vegetables and some, fruit and stuff going in there. Light fruit. And then I felt like I needed a little extra protein this morning, so I put in some protein powder and some superfood powder reishi, which is it's a mushroom that actually can really support your adrenal glands and kind of keep your body feeling calm and zen, which I always really like. And then maca, which really boosts your energy, and then blue magic, which is that sparkly blue spirulina. So if you ever see me on Instagram, I'm obsessed with this blue magic powder, and it's just amazing. So I just felt really good, and I noticed that because I just committed to this process of doing these 3 things and committed to moving my body, because I was like, well, it's one of these 3 things I just have to do. You're not going to think about it. You're just going to do it right now. I then was so motivated to then make the choices in the kitchen that my body was really gravitating towards. And I could just feel it within my body that I was so excited to make these choices. So I thought I'd share that with you, and just like how this ritual has been feeling within my life. And if you want to take these tips and incorporate it into your day, absolutely let me know how you've been feeling and if you feel any sort of transformation in your life. I've even been like going as so far as like trying to do a nightly routine now. So like as you master certain things in your life, you can then slowly build from there. I feel like that's the best way to find success versus like this overwhelm of like, oh, I have to master all of these things right now. Slow and steady wins the race always. So I've been even carrying the affirmation and like the meditation into before I go to bed. So I've been trying to listen to positive affirmations and, you know, even a nice meditation before I go to sleep to just really like calm and turn my brain off. I always would like tell myself that I need to do these things, but it didn't always happen. And so I've really been committing myself to mastering this and making it a habit where it's just part of my life and I don't have to get myself to do it. It's just essentially what I do. So hope this helps, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.